Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a step-by-step tutorial on the Aztec Healing Clay Mask. So this is from Health and Beauty and it's their Aztec Secret Ending Healing Clay Mask. I've used this mask for over 3 years on my face as well as for my hair, and it really brings the moisture back into my hair. I use it when I feel like my hair is really brittle and when it's just lacking moisture. So this is one of those times where my hair has not been really showing me any love and I need to put the love back into my hair. You want to pair it with the organic apple cider vinegar. It has the mother, the USDA stamp, as well as non-GMO, and this is by Bragg. Now I want to show you guys an example of what I have in my cabinet. Doesn't matter the name. If it shows that it has the mother as well as the USDA stamp and the non-GMO and it's organic, then you can go ahead and use it. I got this from Giant. I don't know if you guys have a Giant near you, but I got it from there. To bring an extra boost of moisture, I'll be using my aloe vera gel. It's more like a juice, as you can see. It's by Fruit of the Earth, and I normally use this for smoothies. I use it on my face sometimes. You can put it in your water, so it's okay to ingest. So this product is okay with me, and it definitely makes my hair feel really moisturized after using it. And I'm using this today as a co-wash, meaning after I apply the product, I will be going right into styling. I won't be using any shampoo or conditioner. So if you don't have a lot of buildup and you feel like your hair just needs a little boost without using any shampoo, go in and use the clay mask. So that's normally what I use it for. Or if you feel like your hair is extra dry or anything else. To not disrupt the minerals within the clay mask, you want to go ahead and use plastic. So I have a plastic spoon and a glass bowl. If you use aluminum or if you use metal, it may disrupt the properties and that product might go ahead and get into it, well, into the mask, and you might not have the best result. So try to stay away from those. Other than that, I'm just going into the water. I'm going to go under the sink for a little bit. Rinse my hair out so it's nice and wet, and then I'll section it off. You also want to use a shirt that you're not really too fond of. This is my Christmas shirt. It just says Merry, and that's pretty much it. Now we're all set and I'll be back in a second. All right, before we go any further, I do want to apologize for the background noise in the beginning, and it may be a little background noise at the end because my air conditioner was on and I didn't realize how loud it actually was. So forgive me, and it is summertime, so just a FYI. On to the measurements, I used about a cup of the clay mask, a half a cup of the apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 of the aloe vera gel. Of course, you use it based off of how much you need. This was supposed to coat my whole head, so I know I needed a thinner consistency, so I use more liquid than I normally would. If you want it thicker, of course, use less liquid. And it actually worked out where I didn't have to add any more clay, any more liquid as I was doing my hair. So that's just a tip on how to mix it. All right. So I did mix it, and this is what it's looking like now. And you want to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes for me. Alright, so with this step, you want to work efficiently, but you don't have to go really fast. The aloe is going to help so the mask is not getting hard really fast. And you want to go ahead and section your hair into small sections to make the mask go on evenly. And I noticed that when I made the mask thin, this time and other times previously, that I was able to apply it quickly, and it helped with detangling with the Denman brush as well as with my hands. You also want to make sure that you're using plastic clips. Just because you're not physically using any metal in this section, you want to still make sure that you don't make a mistake and use those metal clips, because like I said, you don't want to disrupt this mask at all. And use a brush, of course, that you can rinse easily. Other than that, this step is self-explanatory and went on really easily, and I was very happy with being able to run my fingers through my hair and apply the product. Also, you might see the hair sticking to your fingers just based off of light shedding of your hair. Not a big deal. I haven't washed my hair in a while, so I expected some shedding, but it is not a lot at all. All right, so this is how much I have left. And as you can see, so this is going to get very, very hard. And I'll probably let it sit for about 30 minutes. And I normally let it like be separate, but just so it won't be on my neck, I am going to let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm just going to clean up my outline, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Are totally dry. As you can see, there's nothing coming off. Everything is clean. And it's pretty, I mean, it could be harder, but I let it sit for about 40 minutes as I was doing stuff around the house. So we are all set to take out. Y'all, when I tell you, my curls have not been this defined in months. I don't know why. Well, actually, quarantine kind of stopped me a little bit because I work from home right now, and I don't really have a reason to go out or even be motivated enough to do my hair. But when I tell you, this is a must do. Look at my curls. Like, I don't know if you guys can see like how good these look, but this product brings so much moisture back into my hair, and my curls, I can't say anything else about it. Honestly, you guys need to, I'm just admiring it. Like, y'all, that's it. I showed you how to do it, so run out and get you some, okay? Get you some of this. Go ahead, screenshot it. Get you some of this. Get you some apple cider vinegar. I already told y'all to deal with, it doesn't matter if it's that brand. And this, my hair, if I don't add this, it doesn't look like this. I use this as a co-wash. My scalp is super clean. Look. Y'all, if I would have tried this with that wash and go I tried to show y'all, maybe my wash and go would have came out good. But y'all, curls everywhere. I really can't say anything else. I'm not in shock because I use this product a lot, but I sat with this in my hair for 40 minutes, y'all. If you guys seen when I was putting it in, after I wet it, it wasn't giving me definition like this up front. So if y'all want to go rewind how my hair looked when I just wet it and I was going to put it in, granted it wasn't as clean, but y'all, go out and buy it. Buy these products, okay? And you will really thank yourself. So that's all I have to say. I'll be able to style it in a little bit. I'm gonna let it air dry and I'll go on to styling it, but this is not about styling. This is about this product. And go out and buy it. and let me know how you like it. So like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you guys try this out at home, please tag me on my Instagram or just comment down below and let me know how much you loved it, because I know you will.